What's up, guys? We're out here at Don Castro, aka the mud hole, because the water is very muddy. I had one, but I didn't put my GoPro on because I was kind of lazy to. Let me show you. It's like a good 1-2 pound trout. And then we just had 2 other bites. And then these guys caught one, and then we got a bite. So I think we'll get them today. What do you think, Garrett?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? All right, so let's catch some more fish. So what I got on is it's like a cream colored CML jig from CML Jigs on Instagram. I like the action on these. It's a longer bait. It's a longer mini jig compared to the other ones. So what we're doing is casting it out, closing my bail, let it sink a little bit, and then start slowly jigging. Hopefully that'll entice a trout to bite. Garrett's on number 1. I literally just casted that thing out. Garrett's on.
Got one on, guys. Let's go.
Garrett's on. Nice. Here, bring it over here.
Oh, that's a good one.
All right, let's try to net him with the short net. It's a good one right there. Nice.
First one at Don Castro.
Oh, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Walk it down. Walk it down. Oh, that's a good one. Dude, that's a good one.
It is?
Yeah. All right, bring it. All right, fight him out. Hey, let him. Oh, dude, he's big. Wait, watch out. Oh, no. Shit, where is he?
Get him.
Yo, dude, that thing's big.
Oh, my.
This is free? Okay. Nice.
That's a nice one.
This one so far? Yeah, good job, dude. Yes. All right, it is 10:27, and not too many on lures, not too many bites, but these fish, they keep biting our power bait, and we can't get one to commit. So we're just gonna keep waiting. We're gonna be out here for just a little bit today. Might stay out until evening, we'll see, but we'll get back to you guys once something interesting happens. Hey Garrett, what'd I tell you? I told you, dude. Here, Fizz. Told you.
Yeah.
Oh, bring it over here. You're gonna steal our spot.
How dare you?
All right, here's another one.
Oh, there's a fighter.
I got a bite there. Told him cast his power bait. That's how you do it. Oh my. Bring him over, bring him over. There you go. Yeah. Nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice one.
There you go. Oh, am I right? Oh, okay. Here.
Here, look at that.
Oh, that's kind of tight. There you go. Here, yeah, let him net it. You want to net it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's a good. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my gosh.
Wow, fighting.
Yeah, that's a bit bigger than mine. That's a good one.
It's not a bad one. Oh, came off.
No.
Yeah.
Damn. Right now, look at that bobber. Oh,
Oh,
there you go. There we go.
There you go.
Fish on. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's not lose it this time. Not like last time.
River's on.
There you go. I got tied up with the drag a bit. It's a little one.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Oh, you got bit
Yeah,
too.
I'm getting bit too.
Oh, he's getting bit too.
Hey, bit.
You're bit.
Oh wow, it's deep like that.
It's deep. Uh-oh. He's stuck. Get him. He's stuck. Don't grab that. You're gonna break the rock. Kind of too late for that. There you go. Okay, so the lure bite has been pretty slow for me. Today I've only had 2 on and then some other bites, but I don't know. So I might just switch to all bait because that's what's working. Lures don't work every day, and I'm getting a bite right now. Gary, I'm getting a bite right now. Yeah. All right, let's hopefully get this fish. All right, a little check-in. Lures have not seemed to work for a while, so we got 2 power bait. 4 power bait rods out. This dude keeps getting bit. Like, so I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's 2:01. I'm gonna say hello. We'll see if we can get any more. Let's just hope. We're gonna stay here until sunset, so let's hope we get some. Oh, wait.
Yeah,
he's on. Get it. Wait. Is he on?
Damn it!
No, bro. All right, so we just got 3 bites. This one got bit, that one got bit, and then this one got bit. This one's out close, this one's out even closer, and then that one's out really far, so they're all different fish.
Thank you have it.
Oh! There you go.
I'll get the net. Was it a nice one?
Hey, watch out for my rod.
That's a good one.
No, it's a little one. Yeah, come on, you got this.
Wow, he's fighting.
I got a 2-pound test, I can't rush it. Watch your rod, dude. Nice. Oh, he's fighting so... It's a little one, I saw it.
That's a big swirl.
Come on. Get her.
Please be a good one. Oh, that's a nice one.
It's like a 1-2 pounder. How big is yours? It's like 4 pounds?
Yeah.
Mine?
Dude, why is it fighting so hard?
Maybe you foul hooked him.
No, it's on power bait. There's no way I could have foul hooked it. Not on power bait. Oh, it's full finned.
What does that mean?
Oh, it has all its fins. You see that?
Yeah.
That's why it's fighting so hard. Oh no.
Here, let me not.
Can I do it? I'll get in the water.
It's kind of
It's kind of fighting.
full finned one. Right here. Get him.
Oh, come here.
There you go. Nice. All right, here. Wait. Leave him in the. Oh, wait, leave him in the.
Here, I'll hold him up for you.
There you go. All right, we got 5 trout, and the trout I caught, something's up with it. It had like the cutthroat things on it. I don't know if you see that. That's not blood, that's part of the fish's mouth. I don't know what that is, but I know it's not a cutthroat because... Wait, it could be one, right?
Yeah.
Maybe a Lassen cutthroat. I I don't know if they do that. We'll see. You guys just tell me in the comments. I'm not that good at trout fishing or fishing at all.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
This is the time of day.
Hold up, can I have him?
We're gonna keep them.
Didn't you guys already catch it?
No, my friend.
Oh. Miller, apparently they're busy right now, so get that thing back in the water.
Oh, that's a nice.
Yeah.
I'm about to go back using my other rod because it's more
Here, watch out.
sensitive.
Your new win?
Imagine he just pops off.
Yeah, I got 2-pound tests, so I gotta be a little careful. I can't boat flip them like you do. Oh, watch out. Here, I'm gonna go here. Oh, right here.
That's a nice one as well. Look at that, I just got them. No, I didn't. That thing's so.
Oh, it came off.
No!
Dang.
Look up.
Come on. Dude.
Come back over here.
Here, I can walk. Yeah, I'm gonna get him right here.
Yes!
Nice.
Thank you.
That is a slab of meat.
Slab.
Dude, that is a slab
Nice.
trout right there.
Fish on.
There you go.
There you go.
Lures on.
Let me cast your power bait out for you. I know exactly where to cast it. I think we could get double limits today.
We have to get 4 more.
Yeah, alright. Well, yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Watch out for my rod too. It's right there. Come on. Got a lot of fight in him. Actually, wait, Garrett, do you want to just reel it in?
Wait, did you guys catch that on top?
Yeah, here. We'll have Garrett reel it in, because first of all, it's BFS too. Here, watch out. Keep the rod down. Oh no. Bring it up, bring it up.
Did you guys catch it on power bait?
Oh, hold up. Yeah. There, yeah. Come on. Oh. Don't let it go that way. The string is right there. Oh. Oh no. There you go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Nice. That's piggy.
Piggy.
That's a piggy. Another fish.
There you go. Garrett. Power bait. Oh wait, Garrett, you might wait. Ah, it's tangled, Garrett.
Here, I'll net it for you.
Huh?
Nice.
I got you.
Yo, that one just has a split shot on it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, no, we're fine. We can just cut it. We'll retie. Oh, runner.
What pound test is that?
4. How many do we have now? 7.
Yeah.
If we land it. There you go, nice.
There you go.
See if we can. There we go. 8, 9, and we only need 3 more now.
Hey, little buddy. You want to recast that?
What?
You went way over to the left.
No. Alright, that's what I told him.
All right, put a little bit of power bait on. I think we found the little school of them.
Little?
I think we found that big school of them. Where's this cast out? Straight?
Yeah, mine's.
All right. So hope they don't go in to each other again.
Yeah.
Cast it out like there. Get my indicator on. And let's go get another one. No lures?
Let's go. Please don't stop backwards.
I know.
All right, 50% battery. I just ran out of battery on my other GoPro, and this one's getting bit right now.
Hold up. Shit. I gotta watch it.
My phone really watches
All right, let's get my battery back in. Where's the screw?
Yeah.
Kidding me. There you go. We're just gonna bite. Oh, there you go. Come on, take it. Hey, I'm getting bit right now, Garrett. Oh, there you go. Take it, take it, take it. He's on. Ready, set, go.
Are you guys just casting straight out?
Another one.
Hold up, I gotta cast straight out.
It's a big one. That's a bigger one.
Big?
Never mind. It's a little one. I'm gonna net it myself. So we have 8. So let's get the last one. I'm not gonna catch. I'm only gonna use lures, right?
What?
I'm only gonna use lures now. This one was on Rainbow. I got it. I'm gonna try netting it myself. What I'm doing is I'm putting like barely anything on it.
Small amount?
Yeah. Like what? All right, I'm gonna cast. I'm gonna cast this ball out.
Good.
There you go, nice.
Oh my god!
On a lure?
Drop
Nice.
it!
4:49, so we're gonna leave in like 20 minutes. There's one on. Wait, let's go up. Go up. Just take it. Oh, what? Wait. Look. Oh, there you go. Take it. Get him. Get him. Yeah. On.
Oh, it's a
I
good
got
one.
one too.
I think you're tangled up with his. Oh wait. Ah, it came off.
No, it doesn't.
Oh wait. What about his?
Oh man, mine came off.
All right, you got your GoPro on. All right.
And I
Garrett's on. We got
go over.
one.
It's a good one.
Wait. Who's?
Oh!
Oh.
The heck?
Ow.
You okay?
Watch out.
Oh, bro. This got mine.
No, but you moved it.
Well, you could have went over there. Not
I
over here.
tried,
Uh-oh.
but it was literally over your thing, so if I reeled in, you would
You have to. You
You gotta
break
cut
it.
that off.
Yeah, you have to cut it off.
Okay, shit. I don't have
I have scissors. Oh, dude, that's bad. That is a bad tangle.
It is a bad thing.
I don't want
Where is it?
my plushies. Wait,
Yeah,
hold
cut that off too.
on. Give me my,
Do not cut off the line.
All right.
bruh,
Fish is back up.
bruh.
No!
You deserve
Oh
that.
no.
What?
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We did pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see Garrett. You see him? All right. Just say bye.
Bye bye.
And we caught
Yeah.
some trout today.
Look at all those trout. Wow.
I'm here too.
So we'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm here too.
Yeah, we had.
You guys have a good one.